Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to enable allow URL if open on cPanel. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in support.cpanel.net where I found a guide that explains changing the allow URL if open setting for PHP. So right here there is method 1. Global change. The typical way to adjust this would be through the global ini file for the version of PHP that needs this feature. This can be modified using the multi-PHP ini editor in WHM for each version of PHP individually. This changes the settings for all accounts that use that version of PHP. To enable this globally, in WHM, navigate to Home, Software, Multi-PHP ini Editor. From the dropdown, select the version of PHP you would like to edit. Set the Allow URL of Fopen settings to Enabled. Click Apply to save the changes. Method 2. SUPHP. The SUPHP handler is one implementation of PHP that allows PHP to run as each account's user instead of the default nobody user used by a page. One advantage of this implementation is that it allows you to specify a custom PHP .ini file for the account. This would give the users full access their PHP settings and allow them to make additional changes to other system-only settings. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.